Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you the easiest way to upgrade the lights on your car. So here I have a Subaru Legacy 2017 and I want to install this LED lights that I got from Amazon. My Subaru Legacy takes the H11 model, so these are H11 and they are also available in other models. So they are 22,000 lumens and they reduce the power consumption by 85% as it says on the box here. So I'm gonna install them now and then we're gonna see how they will look when we turn them on. And let's open now the LED lights. So this is the LED light I'll be installing. It has a fan here which is very important to keep it cool. And this is the one I'm gonna remove. So this is the low beam. To remove it first, you have a connector here. You need to pull down the connector. So there's a tab, push it in and then pull down the connector like this. And it is removed, and then remove the light simply like this by turning it and then pulling it out. So this is the old light and this is the new light. Put it in the socket like this and then turn it so that it goes in and make sure it is secure, and then put back the connector here like this by pushing it up, making sure it clicks in place. And here it is installed. And to install the other side, it is exactly the same. This is the light that I just changed. This is the LED light, and this is the normal light. So now I installed both lights, and they look amazing. They gave a modern look for my car. If you want to check out these lights, I'm gonna leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.